In this video, I'm going to show you how to add the Athene network to MetaMask. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, what we first need to do is head on over to this website. So it is chainlist.org, chain 281123. I'll leave a link in the description below. From here, we want to go ahead and copy this RPC server address. So highlight that one and click on copy. Then from here, we need to make sure MetaMask is installed as a Chrome extension. So as you can see, I've got MetaMask as a Chrome extension. From here, open up and log into your account. Then from here, we want to go ahead and click onto the Ethereum mainnet, like so. Then from here, at the bottom of the page here, it says add a custom network. Go ahead and click onto that. Then from here, where it says network name, put in Athene, like so. And then on the default RPC URL, go ahead and click on the drop down menu and then add RPC URL, and then put it in here. You can give it a name if you like and click add URL. And that's how to add your Athene network to your MetaMask wallet.